I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Now click Create Integration. Now search and select Trigger, which is JetFormBuilder. Copy the webhook URL and fetch the data. Now go to JetFormBuilder Dashboard. Hover on your form and click on Edit. Now click on Setting. Then click on Post Submit Action under JetForm. Select Call Webhook. Click Edit Action icon. And paste here the webhook URL. Click Update. Now update the form. Now go to your form and fill in the form to fetch data. Submitted. After submitting the form, go to the Bit Integrations dashboard. And here you can see data has been fetched successfully. Now click on Set Action. Search and select Insightly. Give here an API key and API URL. Below the API URL, there is an example of the API URL. Follow the instructions, go to the Insightly dashboard. Copy your site's API URL and paste it on the integration site. To obtain the API key, please navigate to the Insightly dashboard. Click on the profile, then navigate to the user settings. Scroll down, copy the API key and paste it on the integration site. Authorized it. Authorization is successfully done. Next, choose an action. Map the respective fields. Here are some advanced features in actions and conditional logic. You can use it for your requirement. Next, finish and save it. Now go to your form and type some information. And submit the form. The form is successfully submitted. So go to the Insightly dashboard and navigate to the contacts. You can see that the data has been successfully received in Insightly. Thanks for watching.